Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today we are going to learn about how to read the time 1 hour before and 1 hour after. Let's get started. Yeah, um, I want you to first familiarize yourself with the numbers, that is 1 to 12. So when you're familiarizing these numbers, say the backward counting. Practice this way first. Say the backward counting. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very fast. And practice, you know the forward counting, obviously, 1 to 12. So when the question is, what is before 9? You can say immediately it's 8. What is before 10? You can say immediately it is 9. So this will help. This is the first thing I want you to work on. And the second thing is, now the time is 3 o'clock here. Okay. So when they say, what is the time 1 hour before, and when they are talking about the o'clock, look at my browser. When they are talking about o'clock, then you will follow this step what I am teaching you. Just remember these few tricks. This will make your work very easy to say the time. When they say about o'clock, again I repeat o'clock. Again I repeat o'clock. So when they are saying o'clock, naturally the minute hand is on 12. So when they say o'clock, just go and look at the hour hand. Where is it? It is on 3. So this trick applies only for o'clock. 3 means just go. When they say before, just go one number before. 3 means go before 2. When they say after, go one number after. 3 means 4. At this point, I want to use my interactive clock. This time shows 3 in the analog clock, and here it shows 3 in the digital clock. So if they say it's 1 hour before, now you have 3 o'clock. So if it is 1 hour before, just go back in your counting. 2 o'clock. When they say 1 hour before, oh, it's very sensitive. Yeah, when they say 1 hour before, it's 2 o'clock. And imagine if you are on 3. Imagine again if you are on 3. They say 1 hour after. When they say 1 hour after, then you will count the number after. What is after 3? It's 4 o'clock. Okay, so you have to familiarize the number 1 to 12 very fast. Backward counting, very fast. Forward counting, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backward. Forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when you are thorough with this, when they say it's 3 o'clock, it's just simple as that. Go, like imagine if your clock is on this. When they say 1 hour before, it's very simple. Just go one number before. So there you reach. Now I change my number. Maybe I'm in 9. Okay, I'm at 9 o'clock. They say one number after. So look at the hour first. It's 9. So from 9, 1 hour after. There you are. Oh, come on. So it's 10. From 9, 1 after is 10. Okay, again I come back to 9. They say 1 hour before. Before means backward. Remember this. Before starts with B. Backward starts with B. So before means immediately you should remember the word backward. that is before 9, that is backward 9, is I come to 8. Okay, so now it's your turn. What is the time 1 hour before 6? From
7.
no,
5,
no.
5.
Wow, yeah, well done. So before means backward counting, children. So before 6 means it's 5. Well done, Mohammed. What is the time? Listen, I'm going to be a bit tricky this time, yeah? 2 hours after 5. 2 hours after 5.
7.
Wow, amazing. That is, here I tricked Ahmed Shadi by saying 2 hours after 5. So that is 2 turns he have to make.
Miss, can I tell you what did you do?
Okay, carry on.
Actually, you do 2 plus 5.
Yes, that's also very good. 5, 6, 7 because 2 hours. Or you can make 2 turns, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Look at my browser. 5 to 6, 1 turn. 6 to 7, another turn. So half past. Now let's see how we can see the time in half past. Here we are. Half means this part is full half. So when it is going half past means this minute hand is going all the way from here till here. That is from 12, it's coming back to 6. Half means this is exact half. Let's see how many minutes are there. Let me start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So you can notice that from here till here, it's 30 minutes. And from here till here, it's 30 minutes. So half means 30 minutes. Now, I was in 4. So if it is half past 4, I go 30 minutes down. Yeah? So 30 minutes down. So it's 4:30. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. If I say this is our yesterday's lesson, now I just revised it. Imagine you're on 4:30 now. And if I say Reem started school at 4:30 and she reached 1 hour later or 1 hour after. 1 hour after. So you don't have to do anything. If it is 4:30, I told you just go the numbers after 4:30. What is after 4:30? You will say the same way like we said for the o'clock. If it is 4 o'clock, then she will, if it is 1 hour after, it's 5 o'clock. Similarly, if it is half past 4, then you will end up the same way, adding 1 hour, half past 5, like this. Look here. Half past 4 to half past 5. You are just going to add one number, children. But if it is o'clock, you will write o'clock. If it is half past, you will write half past. Okay, don't change the terms. Just change the number and add 1 hour before or 1 hour after. Now let's practice 2 or 3 examples with this. Okay, imagine my school starts 1 hour after 5:30. That is after half past 5. So what is my main term? Half past 5. 5. So now I will just add 1 hour to half past 5. That is, there we are. Half past 6. From half past 5, I add 1, it becomes 6. So half past 6. Now we are in half past 6. Okay, now I want you to pay attention and you're going to work in your mind and check your answer with me. We are in half past 6 now. I want you to add 1 hour to half past 6. Don't say the answer. Just work in your mind. I want you to add 1 hour to half past 6. Half past 6. After half past 6. So, after means we will add. Now, check your answer. Is it half past 7?
No.
Oh, it's half past 7 because I said,
Yes, I did this right.
well done. If you have done, just give a clap pat on your back because I am not there to give a star in your hand today. Just pat. You really deserve it. Who did not get it? We are going to repeat it again. It will come with practice. No worries. Don't be upset. Now imagine. Look here. You are going to practice again. This is half past 7 now. Pay attention. Half past 7. Now I want you to find out what is the time if you add 1 hour to half past 7. That is 1 hour after half past 7. After. Pay in your mind. 1 hour after half past 7. After means you will go forward. Before means you will go backward. BB. Remember, backward counting. After means forward counting. So half past 7 after half past 7 means, check your answer. It's half past 8. You got it?
Yes.
Then give yourself a big pat.
Yeah.
Give yourself a big pat on your back. You all deserve an applause. Lovely. And now I will go a bit tricky. Just a bit tricky, but not difficult. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to be a bit tricky. Let me see who is going to make this out. My clock is half past 2 now. Half past 2. My clock is half past 2. What is the time after 3 hours? 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. It's half past 2:30 to 3:30, 3:30 to 4:30, 4:30 to 5:30. Who got this right?
Me.
Wow. Lovely. I wish I am in front of you to give you all a star. That's lovely and amazing. Now done with this, yeah? So let's go
Miss,
for the
can
random.
you give us one difficult?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay.
No.
Let me go more difficult. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. My challenging class. Wait, Ms. Aisha has to make a difficult question in mind. What is the time 5 hours before? 5 hours before. It's very tricky. Complicated
No,
question.
Miss, it's so easy. Miss, it is.
Wait. Let all the children work, dear. Let all the children work. Now it's 5:30. Go 5 hours before. So I'm going to say this. It's 5:30, yeah? So 5 hours before.
Miss.
5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 12. So if it is 5 hours before, so it's going to be, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my clock is stuck. 4 and 5. So it's going to be 12:30. You all got the answer?
I already know it.
Oh,
Me too. I know it.
well done. Give yourself really give yourself a big pat, and here is my flying kisses for you.